everybody, this is Sonia with Paper Pizzazz. Here is a journal that I started just for myself. This is my personal journal. This was made from a large envelope, pretty large envelope. There was a window here, but I covered it up with this really pretty old door, and I have scraps. I have used some masking tape here that I painted, which is kind of a washi tape. My binding is elastic, and what I'm putting in here, I have some greeting cards from friends, some birthday cards, things that I've kept along the way for a while, and I put some pages in here, some coffee dyed pages, but then I kept some of these envelopes and I just use them for a tuck spot. I have some greeting cards. I wanted to save the sentiments, some that are just extra special to me, some that my friends have written to me that are really nice. Mother's Day card for my daughter. I kept the envelope. And the nice thing about binding like this is you can take things out, put them back in. It's really, really nice. So I had put these in earlier, keeping these cards. I love these birthday cards. I covered up whatever company that card was from. I put an envelope. I saved this Christmas card and I cut the cat out. It was on the front of the card, and I just put it on an envelope and saved this card in here, a tuck spot. And I have two envelopes that I glued together, and these are nice tuck spaces. I wanted to put these, add this in here. So yeah, this is not a permanent binding. You can adjust your pages, do whatever, take them all out, put them back in different places. So yeah, that's what I was doing today. I just wanted to show you my own little place to keep my greeting cards and personal things that I have. So I hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you next time.